In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Upstream O2 sensor on your Subaru Baja. This is located underneath the vehicle and part of the exhaust system. Let's get started. To get to the O2 sensor connectors, we need to remove part of the intake system. To start out with, we have two 10mm bolts up front. Now we can go ahead and remove the beginning of the intake. Normally there's a tab that comes off the intake here going to this 10mm bolt. We'd have to remove that, but in our case the tab broke off. It's common with these, so we can go ahead and just remove that for now. Now we can get to this gray connector, which is just below our other engine connectors here. This is for our Upstream O2 sensor. Slide that towards the back of the vehicle off the bracket. We have a tab. Go ahead and press in on the tab. It can help to push the connector together while you do this and then pull it apart. You always want to check the terminals for any damage or corrosion. These look good. Now we have a second clip down connected to the transmission. I'm going to use a fork tool for this. You can certainly use a flathead screwdriver though. And we'll just pop this out. With the vehicle raised and supported, we see our Upstream O2 sensor here. We'll be using a short 22mm O2 sensor socket for this. This has a split in the socket, which allows us to slide over the wire. As I'm twisting the O2 sensor out, I'm going to grab the connector end of the wire and twist it in the same direction. That way the wire doesn't get all twisted up. Your O2 sensor will come with a plastic cap on the threads. Go ahead and remove that. We can get the O2 sensor threaded in. And then we'll get the wire going up towards its connector. And we'll tighten this to the best of our abilities. With the connector back up in the engine bay, and go ahead and plug it into the wiring harness connector. Make sure that locks in, isn't going to pull back out. We can go ahead and slide the tab on the back side onto the bracket. Now I'm going to use a cable tie to secure this to its bracket. We can go ahead and get our intake tubing back installed. We can get our hardware installed and snug it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.